Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon MATIC, which currently is above its 100-day moving average. So this is really important here because it's managed to hold this above for about 3 days now, and it's also attempting to break through another Fibonacci level. So we have a good amount of resistance that we're going to be seeing at a price of around 88 cents. And not only that, that will put us on the other side of our bull market support band, which is another very bullish thing for Polygon to happen, because as we can see these multiple times that we've attempted to get on the other side of this, there have been some pretty large price movements that did happen, that it did pump through, but our 200-day moving average is right up there. So that's going to be the next big struggle with Polygon, as it does attempt to get on the other side of the bull market support band and the other side of that 200-day moving average. So there's a little bit more here that it needs to accomplish to be able to do such. But we do have this Fibonacci level that is at a price of $1.05, and that was within our wave A. I'm calling what's currently going on all part of an ABC correction. And within this wave A, it had gone up in a 5-wave impulse to the upside from its 52-week low, which was at the price of around 31 cents. So went from 31 cents to $1.05 in a 5-wave movement. And so far, we've seen the price retrace about 50% of its value at its low point from there. And now it's working on just going back and regaining those recent losses that it saw throughout mid-August and through September. So all this is looking really nice, and we're really kicking off this wave C right now. So hopefully this wave C is going to be the one that is going to start retracing a lot of those losses that we had seen when things have become more bearish with Polygon, mostly after the first quarter of 2022. So in April, when Polygon's price had come down a bit, and then again in May and June. So we've retraced a lot of that. And now the big thing is, are we going to be able to see Polygon get back above that $1.05 price, which was one that was a very key area of support that Polygon was holding on to. So that's why we're having a bit of resistance within our A wave. So as the C wave does break through that, I expect that that's going to be a spot where it's going to have a lot of price movements to the upside. And you can see how well it was able to maintain that $1.05 price, and how much the price of Polygon was able to move within that, from $1.05 in September of 2021 to $3 in December 2021. So there was a good amount of price movements that had happened there. So this is a really key spot for Polygon to be able to get over and to be able to hold support above. So now worth mentioning that there's a possibility that we have not completed our B wave yet, and there's a possibility that we could still be coming down for one more wave before we do take off in the C wave. And I want to show you this because there's a possibility that we could still be within the B wave right now if we're on a 5-wave impulse here. So let's look at this as we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4. We could be coming down within a wave 5 still as a possibility. And if that was the case, then this B wave would actually end here, and then that C wave would start. So do keep that in mind, that this actually might not be that C wave yet, and it's waiting for one more drop in its price to complete a wave 5 before it takes off in a wave C. So because of that, just to let you guys know, I'm not accumulating any Polygon at this moment. I will wait to see if we are going to fall through into a lower wave B or a wave 5, and then that take off, because that's when I would expect that to that wave C to kick off at that point. And that would be possibly somewhere around a price of 64, 65 cents, especially if it was able to hold on to that 50% Fibonacci level. Then it might even drop down to a price of around 68 cents. So do keep that in mind, that could be a possibility. So anyways, I'll leave it right there. But in the long run, of course, I'm expecting Polygon to retrace a lot of these losses, and I expect to be within that wave C at any time. If it's not tomorrow, it's going to most likely be next week. So anyways, with that being said, I'll leave it right there. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New crypto related content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next cryptocurrency video.